Brian, we do expect tomorrow Governor Gavin Newsom will officially lift that stay-at-home order for all regions in California, including right here in the Bay Area. This is the email that was sent tonight to members of the California Restaurant Association, including the Golden Gate Restaurant Association in San Francisco. It states that senior members in the Newsom administration informed the group late tonight that this announcement would be made on Monday. Now, the Bay Area, as you may recall, fell under this order in mid-December, and a few counties, including San Francisco, voluntarily implemented this order even earlier last month. It effectively shut down outdoor dining, salons, and other activities. And in early January, we learned that this order would be extended indefinitely. This weekend, the ICU capacity here in the Bay Area jumped suddenly from 6% to 23%. But at last check, the state had said that this region had not met that 4-week ICU projection threshold. Now, tonight we reached out directly to the governor's office for confirmation of this announcement. We have not yet heard back, but just minutes ago we did hear from the governor's office of emergency services. We see promising signs that California is slowly emerging from the most intense stage of this pandemic. We continue to look at what that means for the regional stay-at-home order and anticipate that the State Department of Public Health will provide a formal update tomorrow morning. We should also mention that San Francisco Mayor London Breed plans to hold a press conference tomorrow at 1:15 alongside the Health Director, Dr. Grant Colfax, so we should expect to learn more details at that time. But again, just to recap for you, tonight we learned through the California Restaurant Association that they received word that the governor would be lifting this stay-at-home order tomorrow. Live at SFO, Betty Yu, KPIX 5.